Ever wondered how to recover from an intense workout and prevent muscle soreness? Imagine pushing your body to the limit, feeling the adrenaline rush and the satisfaction that comes from a workout well done. But what comes next? It's the aftermath, the muscle soreness, and the fatigue that can make you question if it was all worth it. But don't worry, there's a solution. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. It's during this time that your body repairs and strengthens itself that muscle growth happens. Neglecting this crucial phase can lead to injuries, inflammation, fatigue, and even stalls in your progress. So, how do you optimize your recovery? In this video, we will explore some key strategies and recommendations to help you bounce back faster and stronger from your workouts. We'll delve into hydration, nutrition, stretching, rest, and even massages as part of an effective recovery plan. So, stay with me to discover how to take care of your muscles and health after a hard workout. Firstly, hydration is key. It plays a vital role before, during, and after your workouts. Picture this. Our bodies are like well-oiled machines, with water being that crucial lubricant keeping everything running smoothly. As we sweat out our efforts during a workout, we're also losing essential fluids and electrolytes. Replenishing these is vital to maintaining optimal body function and aiding muscle recovery. Imagine water as a dedicated janitor of your body, tirelessly working to flush out toxins and waste that are generated during exercise. It's like a natural detox, helping to keep your body clean and healthy from the inside out. Moreover, staying well hydrated can also help prevent cramps and sprains, common complaints following an intense workout. So the next time you're gearing up for a workout or cooling down afterwards, don't forget that water bottle. It's not just a gym accessory, it's a necessity. So, remember, always keep your water bottle handy. Secondly, fuel your body right. Now this is where nutrition comes into play. Eating a balanced and nutritious meal after an intense workout isn't just a reward for all the hard work, it's a necessity. Your muscles have just gone through a lot, and they need the right nutrients to repair and regenerate. The food you consume is the raw material for this reconstruction process. It's like building a house. You need the right materials to build a strong and sturdy structure. And in the case of your muscles, proteins are the bricks. They are the primary building blocks that help in muscle repair and growth. Now you might be wondering, where's the energy to do all this work going to come from? That's where carbohydrates come in. They are your body's primary source of energy. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, which is then used to fuel your muscle repair and regeneration. But we're not done yet. Your body also needs healthy fats, which are essential for hormone production and the absorption of certain vitamins. Speaking of vitamins, they, along with minerals, play a crucial role in various bodily functions, including muscle recovery. And let's not forget about antioxidants. These are the superheroes of your body, fighting off harmful free radicals produced during intense workouts. They help reduce inflammation and speed up recovery. In essence, your post-workout meal should be a mix of proteins for muscle repair, carbohydrates for energy, healthy fats for hormone production and nutrient absorption, and plenty of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for overall bodily functions and recovery. So, what does this look like in practice? It could be a chicken breast with brown rice and a side of veggies, or a protein shake with a banana and a handful of almonds. The key is to make sure you're getting a balance of all these nutrients. And timing is important too. Your body is most receptive to nutrients within the first hour after your workout. So make sure to eat something within the first hour after your workout. Thirdly, don't forget to stretch. Stretching is a crucial part of post-workout recovery that often gets overlooked. But why is it so important? Well, gentle and progressive stretching exercises help relax and lengthen your muscles after a workout. They're like a cool down lap for your muscles, helping them transition from a state of high activity to a state of rest. Stretching exercises have a multitude of benefits. They help improve your flexibility, which is the range of motion of your muscles and joints. Enhanced flexibility allows you to perform your workouts more effectively and reduces the risk of injuries. It also improves your posture and helps you maintain a better alignment. Stretching also aids in improving your mobility. Mobility is the ability to move a joint through its full range of motion with control. It's an integral part of functional fitness, the fitness that helps you perform everyday activities with ease. So while flexibility is about the muscles, mobility is about the joints, and stretching exercises help improve both. In addition, Stretching exercises can enhance your circulation. They increase blood flow to your muscles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients for recovery. This can lead to faster recovery times and less muscle soreness after your workouts. Moreover, stretching can help prevent cramps, contractions, and injuries. These are common issues that can arise when muscles are tight and inflexible. Stretching helps to alleviate muscle tension, reducing the likelihood of these problems. But how should you stretch? Well, aim for gentle and progressive stretching exercises. Don't force your body into difficult positions all at once. Instead, gradually increase the intensity of your stretches, and always remember to breathe deeply during your stretching exercises. It helps you relax and enhances the effectiveness of the stretch. So always dedicate at least 10 minutes to stretching after your workout. It might feel like you're adding more time to your workout, but trust me, your body will thank you for it. Remember, recovery is just as important as the workout itself, so make stretching a non-negotiable part of your fitness routine. Fourthly, rest is essential. It's the golden period when your body gets to recover and adapt to the strenuous exercise you've put it through. Now, the term rest isn't just about lounging on your couch watching TV. It's about quality sleep and planned rest days between workouts. Let's talk about sleep first. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. It's not just about quantity, but also about quality. Deep, uninterrupted sleep is when the magic happens. Growth hormones are released that repair and build your muscles. Testosterone, another muscle-friendly hormone, also gets a boost during sleep. During sleep, your nervous system also gets a chance to catch its breath. It's the maestro that conducts the symphony of muscular activity. If it's out of tune, your performance can hit a sour note. Sleep deprivation can lead to insomnia, stress, anxiety, or depression, all of which can negatively impact your health and performance. So cherish your sleep. Create a soothing sleep environment, stick to a regular sleep schedule, and avoid screens before bedtime. Now, onto rest days. These are just as important as your workout days. They give your body time to repair, recover, and strengthen itself. Muscles are not built during workouts, but during rest periods when the body gets a chance to repair the micro tears caused by intense exercise. So don't feel guilty about taking a day off. It's a crucial part of your fitness journey. Rest days also prevent overtraining, which can lead to fatigue, inflammation, and even injuries. It's about striking a balance between pushing your limits and respecting your body's need for recovery. Remember, the goal is sustainable progress, not burnout. So ensure you get between 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night and respect your rest days. Your muscles and your performance will thank you for it. Lastly, consider a massage. It might seem like a luxury, but in reality, it's a potent tool in your recovery arsenal. The beauty of a massage lies in its simplicity. It requires nothing more than your hands, or perhaps a foam roller, and a few minutes of your time. So why massage? Well, for starters, it helps relax your muscles. After a hard workout, your muscles can become tense and tight. A gentle circular massage can help to loosen them up, reducing tension and promoting relaxation. But that's not all. Massage also has a profound impact on your circulation. When you press and knead your muscles, you're actually moving blood through the soft tissue. This improves blood flow, which in turn speeds up the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. It's like giving your muscles a much-needed refueling after a long journey. Now, let's talk about inflammation. It's a natural response to physical stress, like the kind you put on your muscles during a workout. While some inflammation is good, too much can lead to pain and stiffness. That's where massage comes in. It helps to reduce inflammation, easing the discomfort that often comes post-workout. And speaking of discomfort, massage can also help with that. It's been shown to reduce muscle pain and stiffness. Think of it as a natural pain reliever. So, how do you go about it? Start with a gentle circular motion on your worked muscles. Use your hands or a foam roller and apply a moderate amount of pressure. Don't rush it. Take your time and focus on areas that feel particularly sore. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. If you find it hard to reach certain areas, or if you simply want to relax, don't hesitate to ask someone to help you. You could also consider booking a professional massage. So there you have it. Massage, a simple yet effective way to speed up recovery and reduce muscle pain after an intense workout. So don't hesitate to give yourself a massage or ask someone to help you. To summarize, we've covered some essential points to aid recovery after an intense workout and to avoid muscle soreness. Hydrating adequately is vital in replenishing lost fluids and electrolytes during your workout, and also aids in flushing out toxins from your body. Nutrition is the cornerstone of muscle repair and regeneration. Consuming a balanced diet rich in proteins, carbohydrates, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants is critical. Stretching exercises are key to relaxing and lengthening your muscles post-workout, improving flexibility, mobility, and circulation. Adequate rest, including 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, and respecting rest days between workouts is essential for muscle repair and nervous system regulation. Lastly, gentle massage on the worked muscles can help to relax and de-stress them, improving circulation and reducing inflammation, pain, and stiffness. Remember, recovery is as important as the workout itself. Take care of your body and your health, and you'll be ready for your next workout in no time.